Are you tired of the never-ending battle with your cat's litter box? Let's face it, scooping poop isn't exactly on anyone's bucket list. Luckily, the future is here, and it comes equipped with a self-cleaning cat litter box. Imagine a world where you can spend less time playing janitor and more time lounging with your furry overlord, binge-watching your favorite show. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best self-cleaning litter boxes that not only make your life easier, but also keep your home smelling fresher than your cat's latest napping spot. Say goodbye to the scoop and hello to convenience. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro, our pick for best budget self-cleaning cat litter box. If you're tired of wrestling with your cat's litter box or just can't bear the thought of toiling over those clumps, say hello to your new best friend. This open-top wonder is about as compact as a standard litter box, but packs a punch as it works seamlessly with PetSafe's Crystal Cat Litter. Simply pop it onto a prepackaged tray of those shimmering crystals, plug it in, and voila! It senses when your feline makes their royal entrance, and 20 minutes post-departure, a handy rake scoops away the mess, while the crystals quietly absorb the rest. Perfect for those of you who'd rather not face the inevitable scoop of doom. This self-cleaning genius lets you keep the ew at bay. Got limited mobility? No problem. It's also a lightweight solution that says goodbye to lugging home those heavy clay clumping containers. But here's the catch. You only get one disposable tray to start with, which means that repeat trips to restock can get pricey, especially if your fur babies outnumber you. One tester noted, with 3 cats, those crystal trays don't last long. Still, for tidiness and ease, you'll find this a worthy trade-off amidst the litter box chaos. Just remember, your cats must weigh less than 15 pounds and be over 6 months old to enjoy this upgraded litter throne. Number 4. Catlink Self-Cleaning Robot, our pick for best self-cleaning cat litter box for small spaces. If you're on the prowl for a self-cleaning litter box that won't gobble up your living space, the Catlink Self-Cleaning Robot is the compact hero your feline friend never knew it needed. Say goodbye to the days of manual scooping. This nifty gadget boasts all the essential features of an automatic box, plus a sprinkle of convenience. With its automatic timed mode, you can kick back and customize the cleaning frequency. Feeling a little too lazy to wait? Tap the manual mode to get things rolling in a jiffy. But wait, there's more. The app is like your cat's personal health assistant, tracking weight, bathroom breaks, temperature, and humidity of their royal throne. Just a heads up, navigating the app can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, and the updates may lag like your cat on a lazy Sunday afternoon. Now, let's talk about entry. This litter box is a bit on the high side, great for keeping scatter under control. But your elderly or pint-sized pals might eye it like a mountain they're too small to climb. Despite the quirks, this clever contraption keeps odors locked down tighter than the secret to your cat's cuteness, and it operates like a dream in both modes. So, if you're ready to elevate your kitty's bathroom experience, the Catlink is here to save the day. Still searching for the perfect self-cleaning cat litter box? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. PetKit PuraMax, our pick for best self-cleaning cat litter box for multiple cats. If you're juggling multiple cats, you know the struggle. Constant litter changes and stubborn odors. Enter the PetKit PuraMax self-cleaning litter box, your new best friend. With its extra-large capacity, you'll feel like a litter box superhero, only having to empty it about once a week, even in a cat kingdom of 3. Think of it as the big sibling to the PetKit PuraMax, our reigning champion of odor control. This bad boy has enhanced features like a sealed waste compartment, an odor-eating block, and an automatic sprayer for perfume spritzes that would make even a cat's favorite salon proud. And here's the fun part. The PuraMax cleans just like the litter robot, tumbling litter and keeping everything tidy without any clogs. You can set it to clean after every use, so your kitties can prance into a fresh litter oasis every time. But heads up, while the app gives you control from your phone, it can feel a bit overwhelming, like a cat video binge gone wrong. It's so focused on upselling accessories that it might miss the memo on which cat is which. If you have a big cat, like a Maine Coon or a Norwegian Forest, this litter box's 10 by 8 inch entryway welcomes even the fluffiest felines. Just be ready, the PuraMax is a spacious 2 feet wide. Who said cat care couldn't be a little playful? Number 2. Casa Leo Loo Too, our pick for best odor elimination self-cleaning cat litter box. Meet your new odor-fighting superhero, ready to tackle those pesky smells and airborne bacteria lurking in your home. With a fully sealed waste tray, UV light, and a squad of diligent carbon filters, your kitty's throne is now a fortress of freshness. Sure, connecting that app to your Wi-Fi might test your zen, but once you're in the loop, you'll feel like the ultimate cat connoisseur. Track health metrics and adjust the litter box from your couch. Who needs to leave the comfort of their zone for that? Now, let's talk about noise, or rather the blissful absence of it. This clever contraption operates in stealth mode, ensuring your feline friend has a peaceful retreat. And unlike those clunky gadgets that scare your guests, you have 8 stylish accent colors to choose from. Who knew a litter box could double as home decor? Disposal? A breeze. But let's be real. Wouldn't a dedicated empty cycle be a welcome cherry on top of this convenience cake? Because let's face it, no one enjoys the chore of changing litter. Ready to elevate your kitty's bathroom experience and impress everyone who enters? This is your golden ticket. With generous dimensions of 22 by 24 by 27.5 inches and a light weight of only 27.5 pounds, it's a revolution in litter box design. Happy litter boxing! Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Smart, our pick for best self-cleaning cat litter box overall. If you're tired of litter box woes that turn your cozy pad into a feline landfill, let me introduce you to the PetSafe ScoopFree Litter Box, your new best friend in cat parenting. Why do we swoon over it? For starters, it operates like a ninja. You'll barely hear a peep. And when it comes to keeping odors in check, this box deserves an award. Seriously, the only way you'll know it's been put to use is by checking your app or peeking at the waste reservoir. Your nose will thank you. Setup is a breeze, so you can focus on more important things, like binge-watching your favorite series, while your furry roommate takes care of business. With real-time updates on your cat's bathroom habits, you're equipped to catch any unusual activity faster than you can say, "Litter box blues." Plus, you can even customize it for your multi-cat household, because we all know cats have their quirky needs. However, you'll need to lift this puppy to empty the waste tray, and it plays best with large crystal litter. Sorry, no off-brand shenanigans here, unless you snag the reusable tray. And let's face it, the rake might miss those sneaky little nuggets. But for the price, performance, and smart features, this litter box is the cat's pajamas. Welcome to effortless litter duty. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best self-cleaning cat litter boxes. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which self-cleaning cat litter box you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.